So sandy soil. So it's quite gritty. It is like sand. It's quite gritty, loose. It won't clump. So when you squeeze the soil together, it doesn't stick. It won't hold moisture. So nutrients tend to get leached out quite easily. So it doesn't hold a lot of nutrients. So one of the benefits I will say for sandy soil though, is it isn't prone to waterlogging. So as much as it's free draining and it won't hold nutrients, it also won't waterlog and won't hold the water like clay soil will, and it won't then kill your plants that way. So if nothing else, that's a benefit I'm going to take. So a really good way of conditioning this type of soil is in the springtime to dig in lots of organic matter from like homemade compost, leaf mould, well-rotted manure. Things like this will then improve the structure of the soil, the way it holds nutrients and holds water, and then it will make it a much better environment for your plants to grow and thrive, and more things can then grow in that ground as well. So that's a really good way of conditioning the soil. But yeah, springtime's a really good time to start on this, but with plenty of organic matter.